This is the elevator at JCPenney, Woodbridge Center in Woodbridge, New Jersey. It's in Montgomery. Oh, I didn't show my Nissan GTR. This one, modernized sometime in the early 2000s. The freight's number 1. Here's the elevator. Originally Montgomery GNP, I think. Ooh, gosh. Ooh, that sounds pretty Spartan. Oh, wow. Kone, go up to 2. No indicator. Here we go. Let's listen to the motor. Nice motor. That's a sick chime. Oh, the indicator's over here. It's completely burnt out. Going down. Back down to 1. That's a big bump. Very nice elevator. There's Big Brother. It makes universal, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. Capacity in this is, holy cow, 5,000 pounds. That's almost as much as Molly Robinson. And it's the exact size, that's the exact towing capacity of a new Nissan Pathfinder. We're gonna go up to 2. See, no, this was Dover. Going up?
Yes.
Don't worry, I got it for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Somebody else is coming.
Look, going up?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This was these were put in sometime in the early 2000s. Wait until you hear this motor. Epic motor. This was definitely in the early 2000s. These buttons were put in. These tell me this was, I think this was either Dover or Westinghouse. I'm not sure. No, I think this was Montgomery. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Check out the collarbone. Well, that's all beaten. Go to 1. Kone sensors. Kone sensors. Oh boy. There's a fan. That's your fan. I have no idea where the machine room is. Sheesh. Send this up to 2. Going up?
Yes.
Excuse me. Go over to the elevator room. Amazing. Is it dry powered?